Hi everyone, this is a daily forecast on dollar yen. Today is Friday, October 8th. This video is brought to you by Finteria Markets. Please check our website for more information about the company, services, and tools that we offer. So in this video, we're going to talk about the dollar yen. I will mainly focus on this currency pair. I usually start my analysis with winners and losers, but this time I'm going to do it slightly differently. I will choose our new service, which is called Currency Strength. It's a very good interactive tool. It's launched in a beta mode at the moment, but it's already functioning quite well. There are some minor problems that we need still to improve. However, you can already use this tool. So the idea is basically the same like winners and losers. This tool shows you the strongest and the weakest currencies across different time frames. And right now you can see we have time frames from 5 minutes and up to 1 month. You can also view the situation for today, yesterday, this month. So it's a really cool tool. It's visually is much better. So I'm usually start with the last 24 hours. And here you will see that all currencies in the legend are ranked by their strength. So the Canadian dollar is on the top. You see that it grew by 0.25%. The weakest currency was the Japanese yen, so it fell by 0.38%. So we will mainly focus on two currency pairs, but here I would like to show you that currently we see a classic risk on, risk off scenario. Right now, risk on is back to the markets, and we see that safe havens are falling. So I'm going to do the following. I will switch some currency pairs, and I'm going to mainly leave only few of them. For example, here we have two safe haven currencies, the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. So let me switch all of them. Here you can see that they perform in a very similar way. There's a high correlation between safe haven currencies. At the same time, I will enable some risky currencies like Canadian dollar and Australian dollar, and you will also notice that they perform in a similar way. So this is a typical risk on scenario. So we also saw that stock markets were growing yesterday. So in my opinion, so there's a potential that risk on sentiment will be back to the markets, and we will have a stronger rebound in the stock market, in the yields, and also the yen is going to fall even further. So let's actually switch to the trading view. I'm going to show you a few charts. First of all, I wanted to show you the yields on 10-year government bonds. So here I wanted to show that yesterday we reached 1.60. So this is a new level that has been reached for over the last several months for the first time. So the global yields generally moving much higher. We had also a strong rebound in the stock market. So in my opinion, this will create some pressure on the Japanese yen, and there's a really good upside potential on the dollar yen in general. So given all this knowledge, given all this information, let's review the charts. I'm going to show you first the weekly chart. Here actually it looks really bullish. We're gradually approaching to the level 112.30 in case of a breakout. We have a potential to go up to 115. So if we will check the daily situation here, we have some area with a resistance line at the level 130, 112, 30, 112, 20. So here is a really substantial resistance line, but I think we have potential to reach it even today. So if you follow my videos, you'll know that I'm very bullish on this currency pair in general. And I'll give you some potential forecast how this currency may perform today. So in my opinion, today we're going to stay within the following trading range. I'm going to draw it on the chart. So it potentially will look like this, in my opinion. So many things will depend on the NFP release. So how the job report will look today. If we will have a really strong, good numbers, I think it's clear that we might break this level today. So let me show it on the chart. So there's a good opportunity to break 1120 and move much higher. And here, if the report is going to be disappointing, I still expect, okay, that maybe there's going to be some adjustment, some correction. You will also notice that there is some support level right here, so we can potentially move lower and then rebound once again. So generally, I always recommend to look and consider only long positions. So in my opinion, this currency pair generally is more has a bullish stance. So look for opportunities to go long, just in case if things will be really bad. For example, we have very bad report and numbers are going to be weak, and maybe the situation in the stock market is going to worsen. There are many concerns right now in the market. I think they will generally fade away very quickly. But if things will start worsening, okay, probably we will have a lower correction to those levels, but still I would expect that this currency will rebound next week. So all my views are actually very bullish, and I recommend to consider long positions only. So that's my review on this currency pair. Please support our channel by giving us your like and writing a small comment. We would really appreciate that. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss the following videos. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.